Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to schedule a message in Slack. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Slack application or go to Slack website from your browser. Once you have logged into your account, this type of interface will appear in your screen. From the left side of the screen, you can see your workspace. Choose the workspace in which you want to schedule a message. Then hover your mouse towards the channel or the message box in which you want to schedule a message. Then type on the message that you want to schedule. In the side of send bar, you can see schedule for later option. Click on it. Then this type of drop down menu will appear in your screen. Here you can schedule your message or just customize the message time. Click to custom time, then choose the time in when you want to schedule. Then click to schedule message. Then your message will be scheduled. This is how you can schedule a message in Slack. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment, and do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.